Alright guys, welcome back to another tutorial from Classic Games United. And today's video I'm going to show you how to play Medal of Honor Warfighter online, right? If you want a copy of the game, then join the Discord server and I'll give you all a copy, right? If you're new to the channel, also don't forget to subscribe. First off, what you want to do is go to this website, register, and make sure your name is 16 characters, register, and create an account and confirm your account. I don't have to show you all that because it's straightforward, it's very easy, and then you will sign into your account. Alright, so once you're in your account here, you will just you need to download the C client. Go to here, download that, and then you will just run the exe like this. And also make sure you have ZL origin download. So make sure you download this as well, right? Make sure you download this and download this, alright? So once you download those stuff and you start the Z client, all you have to do is type in your name. Remember, this name is from the ZLMU website. Type in the name that you register with. Type in your password. And then click connect and just leave it out while it connect. Alright, and then select here and then run ZL origin. Select the exe and let it open. Now if you don't do this, you won't be able to play multiplayer. So this is ZL origin here, open up. Alright. So once you've done that, you just click on run game. Make sure you select the game from below here, run game. So we need game here right now for multiplayer with our right to login. Alright. We have no one online now. So if you go here, you'll see my name from that I created in ZLMU. So you have to have friends here to join our server, right? So this is how you play Medal of Honor Warfighter multiplayer in 2025. Very easy. Just download the Z client, download the ZL origin, install it, and then open it up. Sign into your name, sign in with your name and your password from the ZL website, and then all the stuff that I did, and you'll be able to play online with your friends, right? So don't forget to you could donate money to my Ko-fi page. Support me. Alright guys, so this is a short simple tutorial. If you want a copy of the game, don't forget to join the Discord server and I'll give you a copy of the game, right? Alright guys, so that's the end of the tutorial. If you want a copy of the game, join the Discord server and I'll give you a copy of the game, right? So this is just a short simple tutorial, not that long, showing you how to play the game online. Alright, so I'll see you next video to come. Classic Games United out.